Hi, my name is Caitlin, and today I'm showing you how to make vegetable beef soup. The ingredients you'll need are beef cubes, olive or canola oil, an onion, a carrot, a celery stalk, a white potato peeled or with the skin still on for extra fiber, fresh green beans, green cabbage, a tomato, barley, beef stock or broth, water, and pepper. First, you'll wash and chop all of the vegetables. In a large pot, brown the beef with onions and oil, and then add beef broth and water. Add the vegetables and bring the mixture to a boil, covering and simmering for 1 hour, stirring occasionally. Cook with barley for another 10 to 15 minutes. Now your soup is ready to be served with pepper to taste, or stored in the refrigerator.